Hey everyone, aren't you tired of all the manual work? Wouldn't it be nice for Monday to do some of the heavy lifting for you? You're in luck. Today, I'll show you how to use automations to streamline your workflow and free up time for things you value. Let's check it out. First things first, let's go over the anatomy of an automation. Each automation consists of a trigger, a condition, and an action. So when this happens and it meets a certain condition, then an action will take place. Pretty easy, right? Okay, let's try our hand at it. Find the automation workflow center in the upper right corner of a board. With the automation builder, you can create custom recipes tailored to your specific needs. We first need to select a trigger, which can be a column from your board such as status, people, or date, or an event like an item being created or columns data being changed. Certain triggers like a status change will require a condition to be met. For example, our deals status column here has 4 different options, so we'll need to specify which is the condition. We'll go with closed 1. Okay, with the trigger and condition set now, it's time to determine the action we want to take. We can move the item, notify someone, or choose from the wide range of options within this menu. Roll integration blocks into your automation, like sending emails with Gmail or Outlook, or notifying an internal Slack channel. The possibilities are nearly endless. Once an action is determined, add in those final touches. Click into any underlined field to customize. For example, we can build out the text of the notification message that will be sent, and even choose who will receive it. Looking good, right? I think we can make it even more powerful. Why stop the fun at only one condition? What if our automation could only fire if a number met a certain threshold? Or what if we wanted to automate more manual work within the same recipe? Easy. Add any extra actions with this plus icon. Now once a deal is won, we'll notify the sales manager and loop in the account manager responsible for onboarding by creating a sub-item. Think of all the extra time for activities. After you create the automation, you'll find yourself on the Board Automations tab, where you can easily toggle off each automation if needed. Edit, duplicate, delete, or save a custom automation as a template recipe, all from this individual menu. Need some automation inspiration? Check out the loads of categories with pre-built workflow recipes ready to roll. When we say the possibilities are endless, we mean it. Your automation wish is our command. Just grab any recipe, customize the underlying fields, and boom, your workflow is automated. And that's it. As you can see, thanks to automations, you can streamline your work like never before. Only thing left is to figure out what you'll do with all your free time. I'll leave that up to you. Bye for now. Click here for more on automations and all things monday.com.